Tired of bank fees eating away at your savings? Are you looking for a more flexible, modern way to manage your money, especially when you're on the go? What if a single debit card could simplify your finances, save you money, and give you a level of control you never thought possible? Welcome to the digital banking revolution. Traditional banks, with their brick-and-mortar branches and often confusing fee structures, are slowly but surely being challenged by a new wave of fintechs. And at the forefront of this movement is a company making waves, particularly with its incredibly popular debit card. But what's so special about it? Well, today we're diving into the world of the Neon debit card. This isn't just another piece of plastic in your wallet, it's a gateway to a smarter, more efficient financial life. Let's break down some of the key benefits that make this card a game changer for many. First and foremost, let's talk about fees. Or, more accurately, the lack thereof. One of the most significant advantages of a Neon debit card is its incredibly low-cost model. Many traditional banks charge monthly account maintenance fees, annual card fees, and a slew of other charges that add up over time. With a basic Neon account, you often get a free account with no monthly fees. This means more of your money stays in your pocket, where it belongs. Next up, we have the magic of international transactions. If you've ever traveled abroad, you know the pain of foreign transaction fees and unfavorable exchange rates. It's like a hidden tax on your travels. A Neon card, however, is built for the global citizen. It offers very competitive exchange rates and often eliminates those pesky foreign transaction fees altogether, or keeps them to a minimum. This feature alone can save frequent travelers and digital nomads hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars a year. Beyond the cost savings, the Neon debit card puts an incredible amount of power in the palm of your hand, thanks to its intuitive and feature-rich mobile app. Think of it as a personal finance manager that fits in your pocket. You can instantly track your spending, set up savings goals, and categorize your expenses in real time. This level of transparency makes budgeting easier than ever before. No more waiting for a monthly statement to see where all your money went. The app also includes features like instant push notifications for every transaction, so you're always aware of what's happening with your account. Security is another area where this modern debit card truly shines. The app gives you the ability to freeze or unfreeze your card instantly. Misplaced your wallet at a cafe? Instead of panicking and calling a bank to cancel your card, you can simply open the app and freeze it with a single tap. Found it in your other jacket pocket? Unfreeze it just as easily. This level of control provides unparalleled peace of mind. Plus, with biometric security like fingerprint or Face ID login, your money is protected by state-of-the-art technology. The Neon experience isn't just about functionality, it's also about convenience. The card is a debit MasterCard, which means it's accepted worldwide, both for online shopping and at physical merchants. You can also link it to your mobile wallet services like Apple Pay and Google Pay for quick, contactless payments. Furthermore, features like e-bills, QR payments, and even integration with services for cash withdrawals make banking as seamless and hassle-free as possible. Finally, Neon goes a step further by offering various plans, including options with enhanced benefits like more free cash withdrawals, even better exchange rates for international transactions, and a suite of different insurance coverage options. This tiered approach allows you to choose a plan that perfectly fits your lifestyle and financial needs, whether you're a minimalist looking for a free account or someone who wants a premium experience with all the bells and whistles. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.